எனக்கு முகத்தை தந்த அன்னைக்கும் முகவரியை தந்த அன்னை தமிழுக்கும் என் முதல் வணக்கம். நம் துயரங்கள் யாவும் நீங்கி புதிய உயரங்களை தொடப்போகின்ற ஒரு புத்தாண்டு இன்று தொடங்குகிறது. அனைவருக்கும் ரசாவின் இனிய புத்தாண்டு நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஒவ்வொரு வருடமும் ரசா தென்சென்னை அரிமா சங்கத்தோடு இணைந்து மிக பிரம்மாண்டமாக கலா ரசா மகோத்சவத்தை அரங்கிலே கொண்டாடும். அந்த வசந்த விழா வரும் நாளை நம் கலா ரசிகர்கள் அனைவரும் ஆவலுடன் எதிர்பார்ப்பது வழக்கம். ஆனால் இந்த ஆண்டு அரங்கிலே நடத்த முடியாத ஒரு சூழல். விளக்க வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. என்னதான் தொற்று இருந்தாலும் கலைகளின் பால் ரசா கொண்டுள்ள பற்று போகாது. ஆம், இணையதளம் மூலமாக இதயபூர்வமாக நிகழ்ச்சிகளை உங்கள் இல்லத்தில் இருந்தபடியே ரசிக்கும் வாய்ப்பை ரசா அனைவருக்கும் வழங்கியுள்ளது. இயல் இசை நாடகம் என்ற முத்தமிழையும் மொத்தமாக தேன் சொட்டும் அனுபவம் கிட்டும் 8 நாட்கள் உங்கள் வாசல் கதவுகளை தட்டும் அனைவரையும் வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்று முதல் நாள் வெள்ளிக்கிழமை முதல் நிகழ்ச்சி விட்டல ரமணா 2021 ஆண்டு 21 மார்கழி கலா ரசா மகோத்சவத்தின் முதல் நிகழ்ச்சி. திருவண்ணாமலையில் வெள்ளி ஒன்று முளைத்தது. வசிக்கின்ற ஜீவராசிகள் எல்லாம் மகிழ்ச்சியில் திளைத்தது. ரமணா ரமணா அருணாச்சல ரமணா என ஆரவாரம் ஒலித்தது. பகவான் ஸ்ரீ ரமணரின் தரிசனம் அங்கே ஜொலித்தது. விட்டல ரமணா இசை பேருரையோடு முதல் நாள் நிகழ்ச்சி தொடங்குகிறது. வழங்குபவர் கலைமாமணி டாக்டர் அம்பிகா காமேஸ்வர் அவர்களின் குழுவினர். கலைமாமணி டாக்டர் அம்பிகா காமேஸ்வர் வாசிக்கின்ற எழுத்திலே ரமணர், சுவாசிக்கின்ற மூச்சிலே ரமணர், விசுவாசிக்கின்ற அனைத்தும் ரமணர் என்று தன்னையே ரமணர் புகழ்பாட அர்ப்பணித்து கொண்ட ஒரு கலைஞர் கலைமாமணி டாக்டர் அம்பிகா காமேஸ்வர் அவர்கள். ரசாவின் இயக்குனர். அவரை இசை பேருரை வழங்க அன்போடு அழைக்கிறோம். அவருடன் பாடுவது அவருடைய இசை வாரிசு டாக்டர் வைஷ்ணவி பூர்ணா, மிருதங்கம் உமையாள்புரம் கல்யாணராமன், வயலின் CK விஜயராகவன், கீபோர்ட் குகப்பிரசாத், தபேலா ராஜகோபால். சந்திரபாக தீரத்தில் விட்டலனை தரிசிப்போம். திரு அருணையில் பகவான் ஸ்ரீ ரமணரையும் தரிசிப்போம். வாருங்கள், நிகழ்ச்சிக்குள் செல்வோம்.
அருணாச்சல வரர்கேற்ற அக்ஷரமணமாலை சாற்ற அருணாச்சல வரர்கேற்ற அக்ஷரமணமாலை சாற்ற கருணாகர கணபதியே கருணாகர கணபதியே கரம் அருளி भजे पाण्डुरङ्गं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे पाण्डुरङ्गं भजे श्रीरमणं भजे पाण्डुरङ्गं भजे 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 श्रीरमणं भजे विठ्ठलं 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 भजे श्रीरमणं विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंगा विठ्ठल विठ्ठल श्रीरमण 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 विठ्ठल 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 रमण 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 रमणा रमणा विठ्ठल 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 रमणा 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 भजे पांडुरंगम भजे श्री रमणम. On this beautiful occasion of heralding in our new year with new hope and looking forward to a deeply fulfilling, spiritually uplifting year ahead, we present to you Vitthala Ramana. Sri Ramana is the Lord of Sri or Mahalakshmi, and Sri Ramana is Vitthala and Sri Ramana is Ramana. And therefore, in his great universe of oneness, it is for us to explore today the beautiful abhangas, some of them on Vitthala, and see the beautiful songs on Sri Ramana, Sadguru Ramana. The abhangas, of course, by the great Marathi saints, outpourings of love, divinity itself, and Sadguru Ramana is the Padal Petra Peruman. Muruganar Swami alone has made 30,000 compositions on him. And as part of the Ramananjali repertoire, there are so many songs which
my mother, Srimati Sulochana Natarajan, had the occasion to pioneer and take forward. What a blessing it is to be able to sing on the Master, to be able to sing on Vithala, to be able to sing on Ramana. The two are not apart. Shri Ramana, they are both the consort of Shri. The consort of Shri brings me to the thought of what and who is Shri. In Adhyatma Ramayana, Sita Devi clearly says that she, of course, she is Mahalakshmi. She says, I am Prakriti, he is the Purusha. So, she is the Shakti, he is the Shiva. And in his presence it is that she creates this entire beautiful universe for us to revel in and enjoy and play our different roles and just delve deep into the real truth of our existence. So she says, I am Prakriti. So Shri being Prakriti and Ramana being the consort of Prakriti, the Purusha, that Atma Swarupa, the Atma Rama is whom we are going to extol today. The Atman, the self, is Rama. The Atman, the self, is Vithala. The Atman, the self, is Ramana. Vishwanatha Swami in his Ramana Ashtotram says, Atma Ramaya Namaha. So that Atma Rama we will extol today. I have conceived of this presentation in a division of 4 parts, or rather an exploration of 4 concepts. So the first one we will explore. First an Abhanga on Vithala, and then a song on Sadguru Ramana. The first one talks of him as being everything. So that was the first thing which I wanted to establish. Fact is, he is everything. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva, tvameva bandhuscha sakha tvameva, tvameva vidya dravinam tvameva, tvameva sarvam mama deva deva. We chant this sloka, but how much do we become it? But of course, chanting it regularly will take us there. Be that as it may, why do we say it? Because we have to form a relationship with the Master. He is not somebody out there and we are not somebody out here. No. He is our very self, as I said, Atma Rama. And who is responsible for taking care of us but him? And for that the surrender is required. And for that in Bhagavata, Srimad Bhagavatam, Prahlada tells his father Hiranyakashipu, make a relationship with Mahavishnu. Have the Navavidha Bhakti towards him. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnoho, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam, Atmanivedanam. Surrender to him in different ways. Make him your friend. Make him your master. Hear his name, extol his praise. Supposing I have a problem, who is going to come to my aid? Is it going to be somebody from Pune or Delhi whom I don't know at all? Who is going to come to my aid? My immediate family members. So if we don't make him a family member, if we don't make him so close to us, if we don't form a relationship with him, why should he come? He'll say, he's not my family, but he doesn't do that. But it's our responsibility to make him our family member. He is Mata, he is Pita, he is Guru, he is Bandhu. This is what Sri Namdev in his Abhanga, he says, Tirtha Vithala, Kshetra Vithala, everything is Vithala. And that is the Abhanga that we will present now. Tirtha Vithala, Kshetra Vithala, Tirtha Vithala, Kshetra Vithala, Tirtha Vithala, क्षेत्र विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल देव विठ्ठल देव पूजा विठ्ठल देव विठ्ठल देव पूजा विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल माता विठ्ठल पिता विठ्ठल माता विठ्ठल पिता विठ्ठल माता विठ्ठल पिता विठ्ठल माता विठ्ठल पिता विठ्ठल बंधु विठ्ठल गोत्र विठ्ठल बंधु विठ्ठल गोत्र विठ्ठल बंधु विठ्ठल गोत्र विठ्ठल बंधु विठ्ठल गोत्र विठ्ठल गुरु विठ्ठल गुरुदेवता विठ्ठल गुरु विठ्ठल गुरुदेवता विठ्ठल गुरु विठ्ठल गुरुदेवता विठ्ठल गुरु विठ्ठल गुरुदेवता विठ्ठल निधान विठ्ठल निधान विठ्ठल निधान विठ्ठल निरंतर विठ्ठल निधान विठ्ठल निरंतर विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल नामा म्हणी माझा विठ्ठलाचा पडला नामा म्हणी माझा विठ्ठलाचा पडला नामा म्हणी माझा विठ्ठलाचा पडला नामा म्हणे माझा विठ्ठलाचा पडला म्हणून कळी कळा म्हणून कळी कळा म्हणून कळी कळा पाडे नाही 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 पाडे नाही पाडे नाही तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल 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 तीर्थ विठ्ठल क्षेत्र विठ्ठल Moving on to the Ramananjali repertoire equivalent of this beautiful song which describes Vithala as everything is this song by Mahakavi Shuddhananda Bharati. Everything. What does everything mean? Where does everything come from? It comes from our Idaya Kuhai, our heart space. And who resides in that heart space? The master as the self. So Bhagavan says in his Saddarshanam, Dhiya sahodeti dhiyastameti lokastato dhipravibhasya eshaha dhiloka janma kshayadhama purnam. So this entire loka, this entire universe is born as soon as the mind wakes up. It releases itself as a reflection of the self and projects this beautiful universe. And when it rests back in the self, this entire universe disappears. We experience this on a daily basis in our deep sleep. So this rising of the universe from the self is allowed by the master. And he allows us to play our various roles in different ways in the manner fit. So he is in the heart space. Hridaya kuhara madhye kevalam brahmamatram aham aham iti sakshat atma rupena bhati, Bhagavan says. So இதய குகையே இருப்பு இடமாக உதய கதிர்போல் உலகெல்லாம் ஒளிரும் அறிவே அன்பே அருளே ரமணா, Mahakavi Shuddhananda Bharati. In everything there is he. Just as everything is Vithala, everything is Ramana, the two are not apart. And here Mahakavi Shuddhananda Bharati goes one step further. He says not only is he everything, he is the heart space, and therefore in our own doings, whether it is kaya, vacha, manasa, it is he who governs everything. பேச்சிலும் ரமணன், மூச்சிலும் ரமணன், இருப்பது ரமணன், நெஞ்சினில் ரமணன். Everything is only by his force. And he is the embodiment of grace, Arul. And he is the embodiment of love, Anb. So this beautiful composition of Mahakavi Shuddhananda Bharati we will enjoy now. இதய குகையே இருப்பிடமாக உதய கதிர் போல் உலகெல்லாம் ஒளிரும் அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா, அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா. இதய குகையே இருப்பிடமாக உதய கதிர் போல் உலகெல்லாம் ஒளிரும் அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா, அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா. ரமணா 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 ரமணா. இதய குகையே இருப்பிடமாக உதய கதிர் போல் உலகெல்லாம் ஒளிரும் அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா, அறிவே
மணிமருந்தெந்திரம் அவனே சிந்தையும் அவனே செய்கையும் அவனே மந்திரம் மணிமருந்தெந்திரம் அவனே சிந்தையும் அவனே செய்கையும் அவனே அவனவளது நீ நான் என உலவும் அவனியும் அவனே ஆருயிர் சிவனே அவனவளது நீ நான் என உலவும் அவனியும் அவனே ஆருயிர் சிவனே அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா 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 இதயத் குகையே இருப்பிடமாக உதய கதிர் போல் உலகெல்லாம் ஒளிரும் அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா அறிவே அருளே அன்பே ரமணா 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 ரமணா
Gitacharya in his Bhagavad Gita says, Idam shariram kaunteya kshetram iti abhidiyate etadyo veti tam prahuhu kshetragya iti tad vidaha. Understand this body to be the kshetra, tirtha vitthala, kshetra vitthala. This body is his. It's not even ours. He has made everything happen only for his own sake. This is his leela. This entire universe is his leela. And he is the Kshetrajna. He is the one who knows. He is the Atma Rama, as I said. He is the self. He is the Brahman. And he resides as the heart. And therefore, we move on to the next part of our concept exploration, where we feel the need to extol him and to sing his name. What cannot that name do? It can do everything, including allow us to transcend this life, birth, death, life, birth, death, life, existence. Further, what else do we need to seek from him? All we need to do is to sing his name. Pattile pannai vaittar paaduvarku arulum vaittar. So he gives the grace and he allows us to transcend. It is us who limit ourselves. How long should we remain like birds in a cage? And for us to fly free, all we have to do is chant his name. And Jnanadeva in his Abhanga beautifully says, Jnaneshwar Maharaj, he says, Jnanadeva Mauna Japamala Antari. He says, we don't even need to speak. The Japamala is happening inside. The chanting of the name is going on continuously. Muruganar Swami, in his beautiful composition on Bhagavan, says, Nadane unnai naan marakkinum nachollum mundan namame. I may forget you, but my tongue will continue to chant your name. This Nama Mahima is something which is not something that can be explored, told, or even experienced in its fullness unless the Master wills. Because the Nama Mahima is apara. It is beyond the size of this universe. In fact, there is this beautiful incident of Ajamila, who was the very ordinary human being in fact, not a very good man, but he named his son Narayana. And in his old age, on his deathbed, he called out Narayana, Narayana, not to that original Narayana, not the Narayana of ourselves, not the Atma Rama Narayana, but to his son Narayana for help. And he died. All of us know the story, that the Yamadutas came on one side and said, he has been such a bad man, we have to take him to hell. And from Vaikuntha, Narayana's aides came and said, no, he has said Mahavishnu's name at the last moment, we have to take him only to Vaikuntha. And naturally, because that is the master's master plan, he goes to Vaikuntha. Such is Nama Mahima. So, let us just keep on chanting his name. Ekatattva Nama Dridhadhari Mana. Let us keep it firmly in our hearts and keep chanting his name. Not a care in this world we will have, because he will do what he needs to do thereafter.
एकतत्त्व नाम दृढधरि मना एकतत्त्व नाम दृढधरि मना एकतत्त्व नाम दृढधरि मना एकतत्त्व नाम दृढधरि मना हरिसि करुणायैल तुझी हरिसि करुणायैल तुझी एकतत्त्व नाम दृढधरि मना एकतत्त्व नाम दृढधरि मना ते नाम सोपिरे रामकृष्ण गोविन्द 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 रामकृष्ण गोविन्द रामकृष्ण गोविन्द रामकृष्ण गोविन्द रामकृष्ण गोविन्द ते नाम सोपिरे रामकृष्ण गोविन्द ते नाम सोपिरे रामकृष्ण गोविन्द वाचेसि सदा जपे आधि वाचेसि सदा जपे आधि एकतत्त्व नाम दृढधरि मना एकतत्त्व नाम दृढधरि मना नाम परदे तत्त्व नाही रे अन्यथा नाम परदे तत्त्व नाही रे अन्यथा वायाणिका पंथ जाशी जणे वायाणिका पंथ जाशी जणे एकतत्त्व नाम दृढधरि मना एकतत्त्व नाम दृढधरि मना ज्ञानदेव मौन जपमालान्तरी ज्ञानदेव मौन जपमालान्तरी ज्ञानदेव मौन जपमालान्तरी ज्ञानदेव मौन जपमालान्तरी धरोनि श्रीहरि जपे सदा धरोनि श्रीहरि जपे सदा एकतत्त्व नाम दृढधरि मना एकतत्त्व नाम दृढधरि मना ते नाम सोपिरे रामकृष्ण गोविन्द
Ramakrishna Govinda, 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 Ramakrishna Govinda. एकतत्त्वनाम दृढधरी मना. Just as Muruganar Swami said, நாதனே உன்னை நான் மறக்கினும் நாச்சொல்லும் உந்தன் நாமமே. In Subramanya Bhujangam, Adi Shankara says that at the time of death, Kapodgari Vaktre Bhayotkampi Gatre Prayanonmukhe, at the time that this soul has to depart, I will be in terrible fear. And therefore, O Subramanya, O Muruga, assume that I am thinking of you then because I am thinking of you now. Take this moment as that moment and don't leave me, because that last moment, Ajamila got the mukti because at the last moment he called Narayana. So I may not be able to think of you at that time. So assume that this moment is that moment and don't forsake me. But if we chant his name, काल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पल में परलय होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब. This is the doha. What you want to do tomorrow, do it today. What you want to do today, do it now. Because in one pal, in 1 second, parlay is pralaya, is the end will come. We never know when the end will come and in which form it will come. We may not be able to do so many things that we want to do, but we should not leave the chanting of his name alone, because that alone is going to help us transcend. Bhaja Govindam, Govindam bhaja mudhamate, samprapte sannihite kale, nahi rakshati dukrum karane. None of what you are going to do in this world is going to help you except Govinda. Namma Bhagavana papo, Bhagavan ellathiyum paathupa. He will take care of everything. All we have to do is chant his name. And what does he do? We have taken so many lakhs and lakhs and lakhs of births. Pullahi Pudai Puluvai Maramahi Palvirahamahi Paravayai Pambahi Kallai Manidarai Peyai Ganangalai Vallasurarai Munivarai Devarai Sella Anindra Ittavara Jangamatull Yella Pirappum Pirandelaithen Emperuman Meyye Un Ponnadigal Kandu Indru Veedutrain. You are the only truth, Mei. And because I have seen your feet today, I have reached the highest. So this Janma Nasha, this Ramana Nama does. Janma Nasha me Tira Vaipadum, Kanma Vasanai Kadala Vaipadum, Ramana Nama me, Sadhuvam Swami's very beautiful composition. Let us revel in the Ramana Nama. ஜன்மநாசமே சேரவைப்பதும் கர்மவாசனை கழலவைப்பதும் ஜன்மநாசமே சேரவைப்பதும் கண்மவாசனை கழலவைப்பதும் ஜன்மநாசமே சேரவைப்பதும் கண்மவாசனை கழலவைப்பதும் ரமணநாமமே புன்மையாவையும் போக்கடிப்பதும் நன்மையாவையும் ரமணநாமமே ஜன்ம நாசமே சேரவைப்பதும் கண்மவாசனை கழலவைப்பதும் ரமணநாமமே கோதகன்றதும் குணமுயர்ந்ததும் சாதனை பலம் தானடிப்பதும் சேதனததும் சிவமயததும் நாதனாவதும் ரமணநாமமே ஜன்ம நாசமே சேரவைப்பதும் கண்மவாசனை கழலவைப்பதும் ரமணநாமமே அத்தனானதும் அருணமாமலை சித்தனானதும் தெய்வமானதும் முக்தியானதும் மோனமும் நவரத்னமானதும் ரமணநாமமே ஜன்ம நாசமே சேரவைப்பதும் கண்மவாசனை கழலவைப்பதும் ஜன்மநாசமே சேரவைப்பதும் கண்மவாசனை கழலவைப்பதும் ரமணநாமமே when we do our sadhana to reach the master, when he takes over, sadhanai palam taan alippadum, the chanting of his name allows the siddhi of the sadhana. And what does it lead us to? It leads us to the ultimate வீடு கண்டு இன்று வீடு பெற்றேன். It leads us to the realization that the master alone is. There is no me. And the practice of that sadhana, of allowing our individual self to rest in him the universal self. What does it do? This is what Jnanadeva in his Abhanga says. What does it do? It is life-giving for the entire manifest universe. One person born as a human being on earth, for a moment in his sadhana, when he rests as the self, in the universal self, in samadhi, it just gives new life to the entire universe. New life, peace, love, compassion. It overflows and engulfs this entire universe. In Tripura Rahasyam, there is this story of Hemalekha and Hemachuda. Hemalekha is the queen. She is a self-realized soul. Hemachuda is a sadhaka like you and me. And she assumes the form of, the guru assumes the form of Hemachuda's wife as Hemalekha in order to help him transcend. And she teaches him as a guru and allows him to transcend his limitations step by step by step by step. And at one point, he goes into samadhi. And she knows his progress. She comes and she pulls him out of the samadhi. He turns to her and says, "What did you do, Hemalekha? You pulled me out of my samadhi. I was in bliss, I was in peace. I was one with the universal self, and you brought me back into this mundane existence." She gives him the highest upadesha at that time. And she says, what is the use of that state which is influenced by the movement of an eyelid? If your eyes are closed only, if you can be in samadhi, that will be of no use to you. So allow that samadhi sadhana, allow that samadhi state, allow that universal love, allow that universal peace, allow that universal compassion to engulf the entire world. That is the state of sahaja samadhi. And that is where he takes us, through the sadhana of the samadhi. It is the most beautiful experience, extolled in the most beautiful manner in this very beautiful Abhanga by Jnanadeva. And we will experience that samadhi, the bliss of that, through the song. Samadhi sadhana sanjeevana nama, samadhi sadhana sanjeevana nama, samadhi sadhana sanjeevana nama, samadhi sadhana sanjeevana nama, shanti daya kshama sarva bhuti, shanti daya kshama sarva bhuti, samadhi sadhana sanjeevana nama, samadhi sadhana sanjeevana nama. Shanti chipai shanti nivritti dataru, nivritti dataru. Shanti chipai shanti nivritti dataru, Hari Nam समाधि साधन संजीवन नाम समाधि साधन संजीवन नाम शांति दया सम सर्वाभूमि शांति दया सम सर्वाभूमि समाधि साधन संजीवन नाम समाधि साधन संजीवन नाम शम दम कणा विज्ञान सज्ञान शम दम कणा विज्ञान सज्ञान परतोनि अज्ञान परतोनि अज्ञान न ये धरा न ये धरा समाधि साधन संजीवन नाम समाधि साधन संजीवन नाम ज्ञान देवा सिद्धि साधन अवीट साधन अवीट ज्ञान देवा सिद्धि साधन अवीट भक्ति मार्ग नीड भक्ति मार्ग नीड हरि पंथी समाधि साधन संजीवन नाम समाधि साधन संजीवन नाम शांति दया सम सर्वाभूमि शांति दया सम सर्वाभूमि समाधि साधन संजीवन नाम समाधि साधन संजीवन नाम In Adhyatma Ramayanam, when Rama has to finish off Ravana, this is something which I share almost in every sharing because I just love the space of what happened then. Rama was hitting out the arrows one by one, one after another, and he was hitting at the heads of Ravana. They were falling, they were getting replaced. They were falling, they were getting replaced. They were falling, they were getting replaced. And Indra had sent his chariot along with Matali because Rama was on foot and Ravana was on a chariot. And he did not want, the gods did not want Rama to be on foot. Indra sends his chariot along with his charioteer Matali to take Rama on a chariot to be physically equal in position. Of course, Rama is Paramatma and Ravana is Ahankara. But in his play, so Matali is the charioteer. He is watching. Rama is finishing off every head is getting replaced. So he tells Rama, Visrijyastram vadhaya asya brahmam shighram raghottama. To finish this fellow off, to finish this Ravana off, take out your Brahmastra. Naeva shirsham raghavattvaya. If you hit at the heads, nothing will happen. So if we hit at our desires or at our external problems, nothing will happen. We have to go deep within. Go to the source. That is what Bhagavan tells us. If we root out the beginning, the very root of our Ahankara, then where is there scope for any sorrow? So that is the Brahmastra which Bhagavan has given us, is the Nanyar Vichara Marga, the who am I Vichara Marga. That is the sadhana of the Samadhi. That is the outcome of the Samadhi. And that is what will allow us to recognize that we are not and He alone is. நான் இனி இல்லாமல் போகட்டும், சிவஞான ரமணனே வாழட்டும். ஊனினை நான் என்பது ஒழியட்டம், பர உண்மை எது உண்டோ அது ஓங்கட்டும். அகந்தையின் குறுக்கீடை அகலட்டும். So, if that has to happen, then we have to do the sadhana of the Nanyar Vichara Marga. That is the Brahmastra which has been given to us by Bhagavan. And that is the extension of what Jnanadeva said is possible through the Samadhi sadhana. That is the extension of our sadhana. That is the extension of His grace having given us this sadhana patha of the Nanyar Vichara Marga. As the Brahmastra which will get rid of our ahankara once and for all. The Ravana ahankara within us will be destroyed only then. As long as we hit the periphery, there will be no progress. We have to hit the core. This beautiful song of Sadhu Om.
நான்யாரென்னும் ஞானஸ்திரம் ஸ்ரீரமணேசன் தந்த பிரம்மாஸ்திரம். 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 ஓம் 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 நமோ ரமணாய ஓம். 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 நான்யாரென்னும் ஞானஸ்திரம் ஸ்ரீரமணேசன் தந்த பிரம்மாஸ்திரம். நான்யாரென்னும் ஞானஸ்திரம் ஸ்ரீரமணேசன் தந்த பிரம்மாஸ்திரம். ஆத்மாநாத அருணாச்சல இவ்வடியேனையாண்ட அருட்காவலா. ஆத்மாநாத அருணாச்சல இவ்வடியேனையாண்ட அருட்காவலா. தீர்த்தம் மூர்த்தம் நீயே அல்லால். தீர்த்தம் மூர்த்தம் நீயே அல்லால். நான் தேனேன் வேறே அருணாச்சலா. நான் தேனேன் வேறே அருணாச்சலா. நான்யாரென்னும் ஞானஸ்திரம் ஸ்ரீரமணேசன் தந்த பிரம்மாஸ்திரம். நான்யாரென்னும் ஞானஸ்திரம் ஸ்ரீரமணேசன் தந்த பிரம்மாஸ்திரம். ஸ்ரீரமணேசன் தந்த பிரம்மாஸ்திரம். ஸ்ரீரமணேசன் தந்த பிரம்மாஸ்திரம்.
To reach the final destination, we have to take the first step. So this beautiful song by Sant Tukaram, he says, let's go to Pandari. Chala Pandari si jaun. And let us find Rakhuma Devi Vara. Let us find Vithala. What is Pandharipura? What is Pandharpur? It is the heart space. Ayodhya is the heart space. Arunachala is the heart space. So our core is what we need to find, and we need to take the first step towards going there. How can that happen? Only because He calls us. And obviously, if we are in this experience today, every one of us who is participating in this experience of today, this now, where we are extolling Vithala, where we are extolling Sadguru Ramana, then it is His calling that has already happened. आएगा जबरे बुलावा हरि का, छोड़ के सब कुछ जाना पड़ेगा. We have to leave everything because Hari has called us. Leave everything and go. What do you mean by leave everything and go? Do we have to go and sit in the forest? No. We have to continue to play every role that we have been allotted to here and now. We have to leave everything from within us. Every layer of the ego we have to leave because He has called us. The President of India calls, we all will go with so much of joy and a fullness, a regard. He is the President of India. He has called us to perform in front of Him. Right? So much of pride we will have, we will share with everybody. And when the President of the universe calls us, why do we think so much? Why do we hold on? Why don't we let go? That is what we have to do. Hari's call has come. We just have to let go and go. चला पंडरी सी जाऊं जाऊं, चला पंडरी सी जाऊं,
चला पंडरी से जाऊं जाऊं, चला पंडरी से जाऊं,
चला पंडरी सी जाऊं जाऊं जाऊं, चला पंडरी सी जाऊं,
चला पंडरी से
जाऊं जाऊं जाऊं,
चला पंडरी से जाऊं,
रकुमा देवी वरा पाहूं,
रघुमा देवी वर पाहूं,
डोले निवतीन काण, डोले
निवतीन काण,
मना तेथे समाधान, मना
तेथे समाधान,
चला पंडरी सी जाऊं जाऊं, चला जाऊं,
चला पंडरी से जाऊं जाऊं, चला पंडरी से जाऊं,
चला पंडरी सी जाऊं जाऊं जाऊं, चला पंडरी सी जाऊं,
चला पंडरी से
जाऊं जाऊं जाऊं, चला
पंडरी से जाऊं,
संत महंता कोटिल भेटी, संत महंता
कोतिल भेटी,
आनंद नाचो बालवंडी,
आनंद नाचो बालवंडी,
संत महंता कोटिल भेटी,
संत महंता कोतिल भेटी,
आनंद नाचो बालवंडी,
आनंद नाचो बालवंडी,
जन्म नहीं रे we are here in His space so that we can reach our final destination, the heart space. This beautiful composition of Sri G. Kameshwar, we will be concluding our sharing of this evening with that, Chal Arunachal, Chal Arunachal. So let us go to that heart space, Arunachala, and revel in the bliss of universal oneness. There is this beautiful saying in Tamil, Kamalalayathil Janithal Mukti, Kashiyil Maranamadaindal Mukti, Chidambarathai Darisittal Mukti, Arunachalathai Ninaithale Mukti. So, if we are born in Kamalalaya, we will get liberation. But we cannot control where we are born. We have already been born in different spaces. Kashiyil Maranamadaindal Mukti. If we die in Kashi, we are sure to get liberation. But we cannot be sure that we will die there. Chidambarathai Darshittal Mukti. If we see Nataraja once, the Akashalinga once, we will get liberation. But the Master has to allow that. But the Master has already allowed Smaranat Arunachalam. Because we are here right now thinking about Him. So, we are already in His space. Chal Arunachal. Before we go on to concluding our presentation with Chal Arunachal and reveling in the space of Tirarunai, in the space of Arunachala, the heart itself, I would like to introduce the wonderful Vidwans who have supported me today, and of course Dr. Vaishnavi Purna, who has sung with me this evening. On the Mridangam, we have Umayalapuram Sri Kalyanaraman. On the violin, Sri C.K. Vijayaraghavan. On the keyboard, Sri Guha Prasad. And on the tabla, Sri Rajagopal. Om Namo Bhagavate Sri Ramanaya. Vithala Ramana. Bhaje Vitthalam. Bhaje Sri Ramana.
Chal Arunachal, 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 Chal Arunachal. मोह से मन को ना कर घायल, मोह से मन को ना कर घायल, चल अरुणाचल, चल अरुणाचल, चल अरुणाचल, चल अरुणाचल, शोक भाग्य को डाल बदल, शोक भाग्य को डाल बदल, चल अरुणाचल, 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 चल अरुणाचल. प्रेम गीत जहाँ गाती कोई
कोयल चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल
प्रेम गीत जहाँ गाती कोयल चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल
ओडले प्रेम बज्ञान का चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल
ओडले प्रेम बगान का
चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल
चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल
चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल
चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल
अहम अहम भज ज्ञान के पायल चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल
अहम अहम भज ज्ञान के पायल चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल
चलन रमन के पद ये कोमल चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल
चरण रमण के पदे कोमल चल अरुणाचल चल अरुणाचल
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 चल अरुणाचल
चल
अरुणाचल
விட்டல ரமணா நம் இதயங்களிலெல்லாம் ஏதோ ஒரு வைப்ரேஷனை உண்டு பண்ணியிருக்கோன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நிச்சயமாக, ஏன்னா முதல் நாள் நிகழ்ச்சி, அதுவும் வெள்ளிக்கிழமை, ஒரு அற்புதமான நிகழ்ச்சியோடு நாம் தொடங்கி இருக்கின்றோம். அந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை மிகச்சிறப்பாக நிறைவு செய்த டாக்டர் அம்பிகா காமேஸ்வர் அவர்களையும் அவருடைய குழுவினரையும் மனதார பாராட்டுகின்றோம். நண்பர்களே, நாளைய நிகழ்ச்சியை பற்றிய அறிவிப்பு. நாளை திரு பி முத்துக்குமார் அவர்களின் புல்லாங்குழல் இசை, வேணு கானம். மீண்டும் நாளை சந்திப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.